Whoa, so cool. Ready? Hello everyone. Hi, hope everyone is having a good week, a good day. Today, I am making shot in the dark. A shot in the dark is essentially, it is a lot of caffeine. It's a double shot and drip coffee. So we're adding two things together, and I'm just gonna, make a quick V60 and then put some throw out some two shots in here, and I'm just gonna get started. So I'm gonna water out my filter, which I should have done, but I didn't. Sorry guys. So I'm making a quick V60. Super simple, super easy. And then this is, so I measured out, ooh, what's in here? I don't know. It looks like grass. Anyways, so I measured out 14 grams of coffee and already grinded that all up, made it nice and pretty so you don't have to hear the grinder. Clear that out, and then so I'm gonna let it drain, and we're gonna reset real quick so we could get some really nice close-up espresso shots. Yay, we're back, let's go. Okay, so this is 18 grams for a double shot. 18 grams of coffee. Alright, and now I'm gonna just flip a lot of things. So, please don't spill all over me. Drip coffee, 2 shots. And bam, that is shot in the dark. It smells like heaven. Oh shoot, that's really good. Cool. Now we're gonna make iced. So we're gonna reset real quick and make iced. Cool. Okay. Now I need my beautiful camera ladies to get me some ice. Yeah. So we're gonna assemble. My camera lady doesn't like the camera. I only like the camera. So, she picked a good role. Okay, so I made cold brew last night. And I'm not gonna measure it out, but I'm gonna put in comments how much cold brew to put. So there's that. Dang, girl. I think I'm gonna like shoot up, like I'm gonna just be up here for like 20 hours and then it's just gonna go straight down. But who cares? Because I'll just drink more of it. Because that's what I do for a living. It's good, guys. It's good. I'm sorry, but I need to taste the hot one now. I put it in my amber mug so it could stay the temperature that it is. Meow meow. That's what I meant. Man, it's real good. What is this, like chocolate? No?
Hazelnut, lemon, and brown sugar.
Oh, I taste chocolate. You know, I'm still working on that. Anyways, so that is about it. This is how you make shot in the dark. If you ever have a late night studying, I guess, if you're a college student, if that's what you do, yeah, have some of this. And if you don't want it as crazy or you just don't want it so strong, I would definitely put a little bit of steamed milk or just a little bit of hot milk on top. That would probably be really good. But yeah, this is all I got for y'all. And yeah, that's about it. I hope y'all are having a good week, a good day, a good everything. And until next time, I will see you guys. Oh, fuck, that's hot. It's good, but it's hot. So, good morning, everybody. It's not even morning here. I'm sorry. Scratch that. How do I say this nicely?